do. So Ryan Freeman, check him out. He's awesome. Charlie Villardi, thank you for showing up and representing. Yo, what's up? Who we've got here on the chat? We've got a lot of awesome people. We've got Robert Tony, 2007, 70. God, I can't. I'll get a point every time I screw up somebody's name. We've got Chip Retired 224. Awesome people here in the chat. Who else we've got? We've got Shyla Foxlin, the first woman to send a tiara into space. Is so cool. She does some really amazing things that you wouldn't believe. She created her own wooden boats. She just makes some of the coolest things that you've ever seen. Shyla Foxlin. If you were to say this in Chinese, I think it'd be Xyla Foxlin, but it is probably Shyla. I'm not sure. Anyway, awesome channel. Go check her out. We have Damari Dendi, one of the youngest tech reviewers that you will find on the internet today. You can go check him out. Damari Dendi. Then we have Davey 504. Most people should know of him if you are in the YouTube community, but most people really don't, because internet fame on YouTube is not a thing. You know what it is? Hatred. Hatred and bullying is a thing on YouTube. Anyway, so Davey 504, he is the Sylvester Stallone of bass, if you didn't know. Markery 655, thanks for joining the live stream today. Who else we've got? We've got Cheap Lazy Vegan. Cheap Lazy Vegan is another awesome YouTube channel. If you guys want to learn about all the cool things that you can do cheaply and quickly cooking vegan, you can do that with Cheap Lazy Vegan, as well as she will do restaurant reviews of all kinds of different things that will help you understand where you can get your vegan stuff. What else we got? We got Mr. Steele. Mr. Steele, are you guys fans of FPV drones? Excuse me. If you guys are fans of FPV drones and flying drones, the ones that do flips and rolls and all that cool stuff, and you want to see somebody fly in the most amazing way that you've ever seen, doing maneuvers that you cannot possibly imagine, that's the guy you want to check out, Mr. Steele. He's big. He is big out there. Then who else we've got? We've got Louis Rossman. Louis Rossman is one of those awesome channels that I absolutely adore. Why? Because he fights for the right to repair. That means making it easier for people to repair